At the 72-hour mark, cold fermentation reaches its peak. The wild yeast has metabolized the complex sugars, creating a structural masterpiece. Note the alveoli, the large, irregular holes that define a high-hydration sourdough. This isn't just bread, it is a pressurized gas chamber held together by a microscopic protein web. As the internal temperature stabilizes, the crumb sets into its final translucent state. The physics of the pull reveal the strength of the long-term autolyse, showcasing a crumb that is both resilient and tender, a hallmark of professional tier fermentation kinetics.